In this video, we are going to see how we can join or leave a group on Roblox. So if you want to join a public group or leave the currently joined group on Roblox, here is a very simple tip on how you can do that. First of all, let's head over to the roblox.com, sign in with your credentials, and you should be able to see this home screen. And from here on the left hand side, you will see communities instead of groups. That is the new name for groups. So we click on that. And here we can see all of the groups that you can join if you want this special category group. So for example, experience studio, building, role playing, any of the groups can be joined. If you want to see more details about any particular section, you click on see all and you should be able to see those groups. So for example, that is a public group and if you want to join that, we click on this and then we simply click on join community at the top. And now we can see that we have successfully joined the community. In some of the communities, you might need to fill in some of the information or verification. So since this is a public group, you should be able to automatically immediately join the group. But if it is not a public group, you might need to wait for admins to approve your request. Now, if you want to leave a group, what you have to do, I'll just show you from scratch because some of the people are watching this tutorial just to leave the group that they have already joined. So from the home tab, we want to click on the communities. And since we have already joined a group, it will show us the joined communities right here. So we click on see all, and then you should be able to see or join the other groups. And on the top, we can see my communities here. We click on that, and here's the group that we have joined. We click on the three dots, and we can click on leave community from here. Click on this. It will ask you for the confirmation again. Click yes. And now you are no longer member of this community because we have successfully leave the group. So that is how we can leave or join the community or groups in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.